At the elevators at the main library here, we're doing a retake. This is a retake for me.
At the U of A campus.
Montgomery GMPs from 1973. Modded though, of course.
It's interesting how the sill with the logo doesn't go the entire width.
The best car's on that side. I like that one the best. You want to try and get that car or after this one?
After this one.
We'll switch on 5.
Oh, you want 3?
Oh, no, 5.
Yes, we just take pictures of elevators. It's not a big deal. Do you mind being on camera?
I don't.
Say hello.
Hello.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Thank you.
That's just a hobby we have. We have autism spectrum. We're on the autism spectrum, and that's just one of our interests. Is elevators.
That sounds interesting.
It is.
All right. Well, we'll get the name. We'll get the other one going.
Thank you, guys.
Yep. We'll get right there. Oh, he's going in there. So.
Oh, that right there. I didn't even know that.
All right. We'll just take this one on a ride. We'll take. You guys. Okay. We'll take. Oh, you pushed it for us. All right. You got the button loose. I'm gonna. Yeah. Here we go.
Send it back up to 5.
Yeah.
Then we'll go back down the main elevator.
Yes, we will. We'll try and get the right one that has the cool floor passing chime. I'm going to get my view of the numbers. This is capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 4.
Cool. Oh. Never mind. Here's Alex.
We'll race him.
Okay, we'll race him. We'll try to get the other car going down.
Yep. Hopefully we can get the right one. That's the good one.
Yep.
I doubt it, though.
Oh, what do you know?
We got it.
So what's great about this car?
I mean, it's different. Look. Take a look at that. Higher floor car panel.
Whoa.
We'll go down to 1 this time.
Okay.
And you're going to hear the floor passing chime, too. You want to take this up to 5 again?
Sure.
Hear the bell outside ringing. And here we go.
Alright, we'll end at 2.
Yep. You got these nice Adams fixtures here.
Adams Fire Service.
Yep, and EPCO SurvivorPlus for the floor buttons and the key switches. ADA compliant phone exposed. Very nice. And we did the main ones. I'll take one last look here.
Service holder.
That one's open. That one's closing up there. And GL interlock, it's just dark, so we're gonna let that one go up. Bye bye. Anyways, here goes this one here.
And that's it.
That's it.